Hi, everyone. Syncing your ClickUp tasks with Google Calendar is a game changer for managing your schedule. Here is exactly how to set up a two-way integration so you never miss a deadline again. Step 1. Access the Integrations menu. First, open ClickUp and look at the left-hand menu. Click on Integrations and then type Calendar into the search field. Select Google Calendar from the list that appears to begin the setup. Step 2. Connect your Google account. Now, click the Connect button and sign in with your Google account when prompted. You'll need to confirm the connection by clicking OK, Continue, and finally Done. You'll know it's working when your status changes to Connected. Step 3. Configure your sync preferences. Next, press Add and then Sync Task to Calendar to open the configuration panel. Choose the space you want to sync. Pick your target Google Calendar, like your team calendar, and toggle Only Tasks Assigned to Me if you want a personal view, or leave it off for a full team view. 4. View and Automate. To see your events directly inside ClickUp, navigate to your space, click View in the top right, and select Google Calendar. You can even use the integration panel to set up automations that create meetings or other actions automatically from your tasks. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.